Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the sound mode on your DYON Movie Smart TV. From the home screen of your device, navigate to the sidebar on the left and then select Settings. In Settings you're gonna have to go to the Sound settings, then select Sound Mode, and here you can select one of the available presets, for example theater sound, music sound, speech, late night or sports. Just select the one that you need, and then press the return button to go back. And here you can also adjust the additional settings for the sound mode in sound mode settings. Here you can select where you want to apply the current audio mode, and here you can select the audio output. It can be either a TV speaker or ARC connected device or SPDIF device. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.